very honored to have Hill and Ponton. So we at Hill Ponton advocate for disabled veterans. We do our best to add compassion to every call. We look at every call and every opportunity to help. We work really hard to make sure that veterans who've lost that quality of life gather that back and their dignity by helping fight their claims against the VA.
Thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedules to come out and give up a few hours. All of you are going to see the impact that you make with these veterans that deal with these severe food insecurities. Because the way the world is right now, the way things are costing, it gets harder and harder for these individuals that are on fixed limited incomes to be able to afford some of the basic stuff that a lot of us take for granted. So again, thank you, and I wish you all the very best.
United States Air Force, 1993 to 2001. We want to say thank you to our sponsor, Hill Ponton, for giving us this opportunity to serve the veteran community, and I want to say God bless you and God bless America.